Capcut is a popular video editing app, and here's a basic tutorial to get you started. 1. Install Capcut. If you haven't already, download and install Capcut from your App Store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. 2. Open the app. Launch Capcut once it's installed. 3. Create a new project. Click on the New Project or plus button to start a new project. Choose the aspect ratio for your video. Common options are 16:9 landscape or 9:16 portrait. You can also set a custom aspect ratio or use one of the presets, depending on your platform and target audience. 4. Import media. Tap the Import button to add your media files, videos, photos, and audio. You can select multiple files at once to add to your project. 5. Timeline. The imported media will appear on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can arrange the clips by dragging and dropping them. 6. Editing. To trim a clip, tap on it in the timeline and then drag the edges to shorten or lengthen it. To split a clip, select it and press the split button. You can apply various editing tools like filters, transitions, text, stickers, and effects to your clips. These options are usually available through icons on the timeline or in the toolbar. 7. Transitions. To add transitions between clips, tap on the transition icon, usually represented as an arrow between two clips. You can choose from a variety of transitions. 8. Adding text. To add text to your video, select the clip where you want to add text and tap the T icon. You can customize the text's font, size, color, and position. 9. Adding music. To add background music, tap the music icon and select a song from your library or Capcut's built-in music. You can trim the music to fit your video's duration. 10. Effects. Capcut provides various effects, such as filters and stickers. You can access these through the Effects tab and add them to your clips. 11. Preview. To preview your video, tap the play button. You can make adjustments as needed. 12. Export. Once you're satisfied with your video, tap the Export or Save button. Choose the export settings, such as resolution and video quality. Capcut will process and save your video to your device. 13. Share. After exporting, you can share your video directly to social media platforms or save it to your device for sharing later. That's a basic overview of how to use Capcut for video editing. Keep in mind that the app's interface and features may vary slightly depending on the version and updates. So explore the app to discover more advanced tools and features as you become more comfortable with it.